All right, how's it going, everybody? So today I want to fix my tripod. So as you can see, the top is completely broken where the camera mounts. I got this other one from a friend of mine, but the legs are not great. But the legs on this one are amazing. So I figure why not just throw this one right in there. The only issue, it does not fit at all. So we're going to design a little spacer that goes in there. So the first thing we want to do is measure the diameter of this one. So we are looking at 26.89, 27. Yeah, so we'll do, let me just double check. It's kind of difficult with one hand. 26.75. So we'll come over here to the cat and we will do 26.75. All right, cat? Then we're going to grab this one and the calipers, and we're going to do outside diameter. So that's looking like 19.75. So we'll come back over to cat and we'll go 19.75. All right, so I'm going to go over to Fusion and we'll start bringing this up.
Over in Fusion now, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the top-down plane. We're going to do 19.75 for the outside diameter of the new mount. Then we're going to do another circle, which is 26.75 for the inside diameter of the legs. So now we're going to hit O to offset. We're going to grab the middle line, and we are going to offset 0.25. And we're going to hit enter. Sorry, I was just thinking about that for a sec. Wrong one. We're going to do that. And now since we got 3.5 in between, we are going to go, well, actually we have 3.25 now in between. So if we go 3, that should be good. Okay. So now we're going to hit E for extrude, and you'll see we have this little one, this little bigger one, and this one. We're going to hit that middle one. We're going to go up 35 millimeters, and we're going to hit enter. So now we have a nice cylinder. That's going to be our spacer. But this isn't very useful because it can't clamp. So we're going to have to make another sketch. We're going to put it on the top. We're going to create another circle. We're going to go out 30.75. Oh, sorry, 31.75, because that would be 5 millimeters. And then we're going to hit enter. We're going to extrude again. So we're going to hit E. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit this one. And then we're going to also hit that one. And we're going to go up 1. So everything that I'm drawing in is in millimeters. So if I just hit 1, it knows it's millimeters. You can do that. You can do a meter, but 1 millimeter. So we're going to hit enter now. And we're going to have to create another sketch. So we're going to pick one of the axis lines. We'll just do the green one because it's up and down. We're going to go 2 millimeters. So up there, it's highlighted in blue. We're going to do 2. And now you'll see the lock next to it. You're going to hit tab so that it locks the 2. Now you can't go any bigger or any smaller than 2. And we're just going to go, doesn't really matter, you just want to clear that. We're going to hit E again. We're going to extrude. There's going to be 3 sections that you need to select. And then we're going to go -50, and that's going to cut. And now we have a finished spacer. So let's see what I can I render this? Maybe. So yeah, just the spacer. It's actually upside down. It would look like that. So yeah, we will go back to the design and we're going to export this. And we're going to export it as 3MF and tripod spacer. And now we're going to go over to Prusa Slicer. We're going to grab it from, I don't remember where I put it. It's this one. And we're going to use this one, place on face. And we're going to give it a proper orientation to print. We're going to slice. We'll see 3 layers. I'll show you what my print. So 0.3 millimeters is my layer height, and I'm printing with 0.6 millimeter nozzle. So this should be good. I'm going to send it over to the printer, and we'll get her done, and I'll come back and I'll show you that.
Thought I'd show off just a little bit of the printing. It's going pretty good. Looks pretty clean to me. All right, so print is done. Well, let's take this thing off, and we'll see. We'll see if we got it first try. Oh, it fits. It's nice in there. Oh, it's a little tight, but that's good. Boom. Tighten it up. It lifts up good. That was a lot of force to push it down. So I say that works. Very happy about that. So that is our custom 3D part. I'm very happy with that. This will make it a lot more useful. These legs are much nicer than these ones. So very nice. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be doing some more CAD tutorials soon. I got some more ideas, and I was a CAD designer by trade before, so it should be pretty good. Stay tuned.